Hey there, kids. This is Reveal Math Lesson 11.2. Let's take a look together. Okay, it says this. It says you can use a fraction model to understand multiplying a fraction by a whole number. So let's take a look at this right here. It says 4, that's a whole number, times 3/5, that's a fraction. Now, 3/5 is really just 3/1/5, right? So here's 3/5, here's 3/5, here's 3/5, here's 3/5. Do you see it? Now, they did that 4 times. They did it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Now, you know that multiplication is just addition sped up, right? It's a little bit faster. So you could add all these together if you wanted to. 3/5 plus 3/5 plus 3/5 plus 3/5. Well, what would that give you? Right. That would give you 12. Whoops, can't make it 2. 12/5, okay? But down here, they show you how to do it with multiplication, and they say this. They say 4 times 3/5 is 4 times 3 times 1/5, because each one of these is 3 times 1/5, right? Well, that would be 4 times 3 is 12 times 1/5 equals 12/5. Now, most adults would not think about it that way, okay? They kind of complicated it. So what a lot of adults would just do is this. They'd go 4 times 3/5, okay? They'd say 4 times the numerator, 4 times 3, that would equal 12. And the denominator always stays the same, and that'd be 12/5. Now that's the easy way to do it, but it's kind of, you do it without really understanding why you're doing it, okay? Now you know that 12/5 is an improper fraction. It's the same thing as 5/5. That's a bad 5. Okay, 5/5 plus another 5/5, that's 10/5. Okay, plus 2 more fifths, that makes 12/5, right? This is worth 1, 5/5. This is worth 1, that's 2, and 2/5. Okay, so 2 and 2/5 is your answer. Okay, so there it is right there. You're learning how to multiply fractions by whole numbers. Okay, well, here's another example right here. It says 2 times 2/8. Okay, well, let's just highlight, these are eighths right here. It's divided up into 8 parts. Okay, here's one right here, right? 1/8, and here's 2/8, right? Now over here, we can do the same thing. Here's 1/8 right there, and there's 2/8. So how many eighths do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 eighths, okay? You can see it in the picture. But if you wanted to do it the way I just taught you, well, it's really just 2 times 2. That's 4. We're talking about eighths here. We're still talking about eighths in the end, so 4/8, okay? Kids, you're learning how to multiply fractions and whole numbers. Here it is, 3 times 3/6, okay? Let's highlight this. We have, let's get rid of this thing over here. There we go. 3 times 3/6. Well, we have 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, right? Do it again. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. We've done it twice so far. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. We did it 3 times. Get it? 3 times 3/6. Okay, well, you can count them up now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You've got 9/6. Okay, so let's put that in up here, 9/6. Now, 9/6 is an improper fraction, isn't it? Okay, it's the same thing as 6/6 plus 3/6. Okay, and that equals, this is equal to 1 whole right here, and this is equal to 3/6, so it's 1 3/6. Now, we could take this picture down here and we can move these around to see. We could take this 6th and put it right there. We could take this 6th and put it right there. We could take this 6th and put it right there. Okay, and now we've got, you can see what we've got. We've got 1 whole, here it is right here, and then we've got 3/6, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's 1 3/6. Kids, you're learning how to multiply fractions by a whole number. Okay, here it is again. Here's the last one we're going to do. It's 2 times something times 1/12. Okay, let's figure out this one. In each one of these pictures right here, this is twelfths and this is twelfths over here. It's divided up into twelfths. Well, how many do we have in each one? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so each one of those is really 5/12. Well, that's 5 times 1/12, okay? So we had 5 times 1/12 here. We had 5 times 1/12 here. But they did that 2 times, right? Okay, so you got this right here. You got 2, because there's 2 of them, times 5, because there's 5 in each one, and each one of them is 1/12. Well, 2 times 5 is 10, times 1/12 is 10/12. Okay, 10/12. Now you could count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There they are. They're 10/12. Okay. Kids, you're learning how to multiply fractions by a whole number. Well, today in class, we're going to do workbook pages 107 and 108. We're going to do practice pages 115 and 116. Kids, you're learning how to multiply fractions by whole numbers. All right, on the Friday quiz, they got this. They got 2 times 5/8, and then they got 3 times 4/6. I'll do one of these for you, okay? Let me get a highlighter here, okay? Let's make it orange again. All right, well, let's do this one. 3 times 4/6. Well, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4/6. We did it once. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. We did it twice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. We did it 3 times, right? So 3 times 4/6. Well, how many sixes do we have up here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we got 12 sixths. Okay, so 12 and make that sixths right there. Now that's an improper fraction, isn't it? Okay, a 6-year-old should not be carrying around a 12-year-old. All right, so we can fix that, and we fix it like this. We say that 12/6 is the same thing as 6/6 plus 6/6, right? Okay, well, this is 1 because the numerator and denominator are the same. This is equal to 1 because the numerator and denominator are the same, so that equals 2. Now you could prove it by taking these and you could shift them around. Put one of these here, take that one and put it there, take that one and put it there, 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 and there. Yeah, 12/6 makes 2 wholes, doesn't it? Okay, this is complete and this one is complete right here. Kids, there you go. You're learning how to multiply fractions by whole numbers. Kind of easy, don't you think? Go ahead and give it a try. If you need help, we will help you. Come see us. We'll talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.